287 emails. 20 minutes. Here's the system I use every single morning. Step 1. Sort by sender. Anyone above your CEO's level, handle first. Board members. Investors. Top clients. That's 80% of impact and 10% of emails. Step 2. Use this Claude prompt. Summarize this thread into lines. Recommend a reply. Act now, defer, decline, delegate, or ignore. Run it on every email above the fold. Decisions in 8 seconds. Step 3. The 3-folder rule. Reply now. Reply after lunch. Archive. No labels. No flags. No follow-up folder. Folders you don't touch are folders you don't trust. Step 4. Reply in batches. Inbox closed for the rest of the morning. 20 minutes. Inbox at 0. CEO ready.